Hi there, Purple Girl here. Today I wanted to give you an update on my indoor carrot growing experiment that I've been doing here. I have these two sets of carrots. They're both the Adelaide variety, which is supposed to be a 52-day maturity carrot. And these ones were sown on October 30th. They're in a little bit less soil because that's just what I had and wasn't able to get more at that time. So they're really only in, I don't know, eight I don't know 8 centimeters or so, 3 inches of soil. So not really ideal. And these ones were sown December 3rd, and they're sown. This whole pot is full. So I'm sure that is about 20 centimeters, 10 inches, something like that. These aren't a real long carrot, so this one for sure should be enough space for the carrot roots to be growing in. This one a little iffy, so I'm not sure. But I don't know if carrots are actually going to form a proper root indoors anyways. I don't know if they're getting enough sunshine, enough nutrients. I'm not really sure what they're getting. This one was in just like a general potting soil. Can't remember what the brand was. And I think it was mixed maybe with some sand. And this one is with an all-purpose potting medium, which is really just Canadian peat moss and perlite. They've both had some organic liquid feed given to them a couple of times and some bone meal sprinkled on top. They've both been fighting some fungus gnats a little bit. Well, I've been fighting the fungus gnats. They've been dealing with their abuse. So these ones should be well past the maturity date. It doesn't really look like there's much coming out of them, but I'm going to dump them out and just have a look. These ones still have about a month or so left, I believe, until they hit their maturity date. So we won't do anything else with these ones for today. They look really nice on top, but growing carrot tops isn't really my goal here. I'm trying to get some actual carrots. So I'm going to put these ones out of the way and dump these ones out, and let's see if there's anything in there worth having a look at. Alright, so I'm not very hopeful that there's going to be a whole lot in here worth eating. I can see they are forming tops on some of them here. Some of them look like absolutely nothing. I haven't thinned these or done anything really to try and help them too much. So I'm just going to dump the whole bucket out and break it apart, and we'll see what's in there. The soil is pretty dry, so probably could have a bit more moisture being given to them. Okay, so that didn't take long. So there's nothing too exciting growing under there. Have one like this. That's a decent carrot for this variety. I don't see anything really wrong with that. The top is a little bit funky here. This was above the soil level, this part. So that could be this pot again, really, they didn't have, like that was probably pretty much at the max. You can even see the root is bent over, and I bet maybe you can't see that. You see that against there? But it goes like this, the little fine part of the root. So I don't think these carrots had enough soil in that pot, and I'm sure that wasn't helping them any. But there's a couple here that are worth eating. About half and half, I'd say, whether they're worth eating and just worth throwing in the compost. But it gives me hope that the bucket that had more soil in it will actually produce something with a decent root on it. So, like I said, we'll leave that other bucket another month or so, and then we'll check back in on it. But that's not terrible. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.